guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Allure beauty box for April. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the April 2026 Allure beauty box has arrived. I'm trying to think of what the item is for this box. And I think it's a lip product. I think it's coming to me. I think it's if I have to guess, I think it's a YSL lip product. And then the one for next month, I already got to choose. And that was in Anastasia Beverly Hills brow product, like the pomade, the little round thing. You get to choose the color. I think I might already have that one, and if I do, that will go in a giveaway for one of you guys, like always, but I did choose that one. So inside of here for April, you always do have a brochure with now 2 gorgeous women on the front, and then you have a member credit if you would like to purchase from their store, and then a sneak peek to inside of the box is right there. And yes, I do see at the very bottom the YSL product, which we will start with that then, because that is the one you get to customize. Let me go ahead and pull this one up. So for this product, right about here, this is the YSL Beauty Candy Glaze Lip Gloss Stick in Healthy Glow Plumper, Watermelon High, Flashing Rose, or Nude Lava something or other. A nude something or other. This is valued for $43 for the full size product. This is over the entire box. And here is the packaging. And I bet you I did watermelon. Yep, Watermelon High. I love me some watermelon. I'm a fruit hoe through and through. So when I saw watermelon, that's what I picked. So again, this is the Love Shine Candy Glaze 16 Watermelon High. And this is what it looks like. And there is the product. Let's see. So you will have a color to it. Give you a little bit of color boost, maybe, I guess. But it is a lip gloss, or like it says it's the perfect gloss balm hybrid. And I am all for a lip mask, a balm, any type of moisture. I normally don't do like color. I don't do, you know, if you guys follow me, you know what I do with these little girls over here. But this is a product that I definitely do use, so I'm super excited about that. Again, valued for $43. Let's just go with the next thing that this magazine shows. It says it is a brow shaped altering serum. That is the brand. I personally do not use this type of a product, so I will gladly put this in a future giveaway. $84 for a 3 ml, and that is exactly what this is. 0.1 fluid ounce, 3 ml, $84 for this product right here. I'm dying. I will open the packaging just to show you what the actual product looks like, but I won't open that because this will go in a giveaway. There is the package, and it shows on here that it has like a little wand at the end, and it says, over plucking your brows as a teen? Yes, we've been there. Move on from that damage with this peptide plumped treatment that helps boost and strengthen the hair at the root to prevent fallout. And it is a clear formula. But again, I just don't use this type of product, so I know I won't pull for it, so I'd rather it go to somebody who would. So that will go in a future giveaway. The Altering Serum, $84. Holy moly. Okay, you guys, so the next thing on the list says Skin Ink Cryo Ice Saki Roller, pink to white heat sensitive technology. Inspired by the Japanese drink, this pitcher-shaped tool wakes up sleepy under eyes and temporarily tightens puffiness with a cooling aluminum plate, and it changes colors as it chills. Huh. Definitely interesting. So Saki is right after the drink, because I love me some Saki. This is valued for $55. And there's a little brochure, probably to tell you how to use it. And it looks just like the little Saki warmers that you keep the Saki in to warm it. So I guess that's like the cool plate. I don't know. How do you use this? It says, pop this tool into your freezer until it turns pink. We recommend at least 30 minutes. Let it sit for about 5 minutes before applying to your favorite serum, then gently press the silver end into the skin. Starting at the neck and moving upward, continue massaging until the device is no longer cold, but no more than 30 minutes. I guess you just hold it like this, and then you use this to, and then it just looks like a little Saki container. That is the cutest little like container how it looks. It's so cute. So I'll try that out. $55. But I love that it looks like a little Saki warmer. Okay, so next is Rosy Jane Rosy Travel Spray. And does it have rose in there? I bet you. I'll bet you. Let's see. Yeah, it says nude musk / sweet rose. I don't do anything with rose because it gives me an instant migraine. So I will save this for somebody else to enjoy. I was kind of thinking I would be able to use it because of perfume, but definitely with that rose, negative. So Rosy Jane Rosy Travel Spray, and it's $29 for a 10 mil, and that's exactly what this is, a 10 mil. And so this is $29. And then if you want to see how big it is on the inside, it looks like that. So again, normally these I definitely keep because I love perfumes, but I don't love rose. So this will gladly go in a future giveaway with this little thing right here for one of you guys. We have 2 items left, you guys. This one here says it is a face serum. The retail value for a 30 mil, and this is a 10 mil. So a 30 mil is $39.99. This is a sample size for you to try out. If I can get it out of the packaging. Well, there you go. That's the size of the bottle. It wants to just stay in there. So there you go. That is the sample size. So it's less than the $39.99, but that is a great size, especially for a serum for you to try out. So at least it's not a little teeny tiny sample size. I have so many serums that I will just put this in the future giveaway as well. I didn't open the actual bottle inside that has the plastic sealed around it, but there is the face serum. So the last item in here is by Belief. It is the Aqua Balm Frozen Cream. I love their Aqua Balm. I've never tried the frozen cream, so I'm actually really excited to try a different type of product. But, oh, it's a little, fooled you. It's only a quarter of the box inside, not even half. So you do have this small little sample to try out, but if you like it and you want the full size would be a 50 mil valued for $26, and this is a 10 mil that is inside of your box. So again, I will definitely try it because I really, really love their Aqua Balm, like the normal little moisturizer. I absolutely love. So I will definitely try this out. It says slather a nickel size dollop onto your skin, working your way from the top of your forehead down to your neck. Then fan your face with your hands for an extra energizing effect. So maybe it'll have like a cooling effect when air hits it. That'll be cool. I'm definitely going to try that because it does say frozen cream. So I bet you it makes your face feel like a cold sensation when you fan it. So that I will definitely try. So there are 2 sample sizes, which are still great sizes to try out. And then you have the full travel size, the full brow serum, you have this facial tool, and then the full size YSL balm. Oh my gosh, you guys. So that is everything for this box, and me just keeping, if I just kept this, paid for the entire box, but I am gonna hang on to this guy and this guy. Everything else will go to a future giveaway for you guys. So that is a win-win because I love sharing. Sharing is caring. That's my motto. So if you would like a little bit of information about this, let me go ahead and pull up their website because they always have new specials. Like every month, there's some new incentive for when you sign up. So it looks like they have a 2-item free new member gift. One of them is a lash follicle fortifying serum valued for $84, and there's another serum as well valued for $13. So your very first box would be $19.99 and then it will renew at $29.99. You can also prepay for 3 months. You can do quarterly at a time or annually. If you choose annually, you'll still get those 2 free gifts, but you're also going to get a beauty bundle. The bundle by itself is valued at $278, and then you get those other 2 items as well. So you have 3 free gifts if you sign up for a whole annual membership. That's what I do so I can save money. I just go all annual, but I will have them listed down below in the description box for you to pop on over and check them out if you are interested. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of this month's box? What do you think of the products that was put inside? What would be your favorite? Did you sign up? Let me know all of the good stuff down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.